Hello, welcome by askscholars.com. We'll have basic vocabulary for Essen und Trinken, part 1. So we can start now. Der Apfel, the apple, das Bier, das Brot, das Brotchen, das Brotchen, das Kaffee, die Banane, die Banane, die Birne, the pear, the butter, the disco, the Kartoffel, the potatoes. Essen und Trinken vocabulary part 2. Their thirst, their thirst, their fish, their guest, their guest, their hunger, the hunger, their their Kuchen, the cake, das Ei, the egg, das egg, das Essen, the food, das Fleisch, the meat, das Frühstück, the breakfast, the breakfast, das Getränk, the drink, the drink. Essen und Trinken vocabulary part 3. Das Glas, das Hähnchen, the chicken, das Hähnchen, the chicken, das Lokal, das all, das Restaurant, der Kaffee, der Kiosk, der Zucker, der Tee, der Saft, das Obst, the fruit, der Reis, der Salat, der Wein, die Zigarette, die Milch, die Sahne, die Speisekarte, die Tomate, die Rechnung, die Pommes frites, French fries, die Lebensmittel, grocery, die Lebensmittel, das Lieblingsessen, favorite food, das Lieblingsessen, die Flasche, the bottle, die Flasche. The first one is bestellen, order, bestellen, to order, that is verb. Bitter, Süß, sweet, Süß. Ein bisschen, a little bit. Ein bisschen. Essen. That can be used as a verb here. Essen, to eat something. Essen also means to food. Essen, food, or we can use as a verb also, to eat. Kochen, to cook. That is verb. Kochen. Rauchen, again a verb, to smoke. Rauchen. Schmecken, to taste. Schmecken. Trinken, drink. Trinken. Wunderbar, wonderful. Wunderbar, wonderful. So we have mentioned here few verbs and few, you can say, adjectives also. Auf Wiedersehen. Cheers.